Out by the pool. Yeah. What is up, you guys? It's Tori, and I am back with another video. So today is Monday, February 7th, and I'm sitting in a parking lot waiting for my parents to grab something from the store. But today's a pretty chill day. It's like 1 p.m. I didn't do much but like eat breakfast earlier, and then I took a nap because I was still sleepy after yesterday. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now we're about to either go to a park or, you know, just explore the area of Fort Lauderdale. So I'm not sure what my mom has in mind, like where she wants to go yet. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We might just go out, get lunch, and then go back to the hotel, probably enjoy the pool. And then tomorrow is our last full day. We're supposed to be hanging out with my grandma's sister that lives here. So that should be fun. But yeah, I will take you guys along with me. So let's get into this vlog.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
just going up now.
Yeah. Is it?
You gotta wait here. Oh,
Yeah.
down there.
You guys, look at the bridge. It's up. I've never seen one before. I wish I could get like a closer view. Mommy, move your head. It's up if you can see it. Like, so,
This is the bridge, you might take it in a different direction.
I guess a ship's passing or something. Okay, there it is, guys. That's a better view. Yeah. Oh, okay. So the cruise ship passes through, I'm guessing. Mm-hmm. So in the front.
Waiting for a couple minutes.
We are here. So we went to Las Olas. So we're gonna go look at the beach. It's really pretty from the videos that I caught. I wish I had a drone because it's a really nice view. But we parked, and now we're gonna. The sun's out, but it's like wind, so it's not hot. Like it's like the perfect weather. And parking wasn't hard to find. It wasn't that expensive either. A little bit more expensive than like the last beach we went to yesterday, but you know, this is a more, you know, populated area. So yeah. Show y'all. Alright. Gotta run for it, even though I want one way. It's not like one cool little place. seafood bar.
Coconut. Oh, yeah.
They look tiny. I guess they're not fully grown yet. Oh, okay. Really pretty down here. Say hi, mommy and grandma. Close. Yeah, it's really nice out here. It's like it's South Beach but less congested, and like the sand is it's much nicer here, I feel. And then the palm trees, well, these are coconut trees, my mom said, just adds to it. It's really nice out here, like, and parking was easy, like I mentioned. But yeah, we're here at the beach. I think we're here for like 2 hours, so we can find something to eat, go home. But yeah, it's the weather is nice. Like this is the perfect time to come if you want to like come to Florida, escape the winter because it's not like hot. It's the right temperature. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna head out. We're getting pizza from some spot over there, and then we're getting it for like later though. Now we're gonna go get some food from this cafe. Okay. But yeah, it was nice out here. We didn't go into the water because we really didn't plan on it, but it's a nice little place, y'all. I'm gonna take look at Las Olas. They went out.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Alright.
Mama yan eh. So what about kaya? She could go all the door for we. Alright, you guys. Now we are at a restaurant. Yeah. We're at a restaurant called El Tamarindo Cafe. Waiting for the food. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, Oh no, it's two. It's two. Thank you. A margarita. From grandma. We got fish. Oh, and your salad is a lot too, Ralph. Oh my God! You ever driven on Earth?
Nope. Nope. I'm not driving that one.
You ever driven on Earth, mommy?
No.
No, some people be driving there with the funeral procession, you know?
I remember when.
Scary.
You remember which cemetery? When short they were driving at the Earth.
Yeah, you can't hear me if you're driving on no Earth. Actually, you know what? Me not really, you know, now that's all that. Me not really as superstitious, so me probably not care, but back in the day, you can't be if you're driving on no Earth.
Up to now, I still don't want driving on. Superstitious.
Oh boy, I guess tomorrow I'm gonna do hanging out at the pool then, because we're too late now for that pool, right? It's too late. Still want to sit down.
I'll go after 6.
You know, but that's
go in there.
Yeah, me.
You can go over there, go sit down.
Yeah. Too cool. So we're back. I have pizza for later, but I'm full. So I went to the fish place and listen. They made the margaritas with a lot of alcohol because I'm feeling it. Take it on. But yeah, I'm feeling it. The vodka in the margarita. I think that's what they put in. I'm feeling it. But yeah, I think we're gonna sit by the pool. It's a little bit cold outside, but you can sit by the pool and relax. I don't think I'm gonna get in the pool because it's not hot. People are there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fine.
Sit down out here.
Yeah.
Sure, it's not time to close.
You see a sign there?
I'm sure they probably close around 7.
I think they close around 8.
There you go.
There's no sign.
Or it's swim at your own risk after a time. On this other bathroom. But yeah. We're about to go to our room. We might just come back down to relax. I'm gonna grab my laptop. Come back down here.
I'm gonna finish school.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
What is up, y'all? Yeah. So I'm back. Put my hair in a ponytail. We're about to go to the pool. I don't think we're gonna swim though because, like I said, it's not like Florida had like a cold front last week. It was extremely cold, so it's not as warm. It's warm in the day when the sun is out, but at night the temperature drops. So we will not be partaking in the pool. Maybe tomorrow. But we're gonna sit out there though. I'm gonna bring my computer, maybe watch some I've been watching this show on Hulu, so I'm gonna catch up on that. Got some pizza, but like I said, y'all seen the fish that I posted earlier. I'm full and I had 2 margaritas and they made them strong. I can't. I feel great, so I'm just gonna relax. Enjoy the rest of the day, come back, take my makeup off, call it a day. I think I'm going to end this vlog here because I don't feel like bringing my camera downstairs. Maybe I'll use my phone, show you a few clips, but I'm done. I'm tired. I'm not tired, but you know, I don't want to vlog anymore. It's 6:35. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you all for watching. And I'll see you in my next vlog, which is tomorrow. Because we're doing daily vlogs. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to try to upload these videos as soon as I can when I get back home. Okay? Bye.